In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to rank on the front page of Google. So what we've got is a client that came to us and they're in Leduc, Edmonton. And one of the things that they want to do is they want to show up in this 3-pack here. Why? Because roughly 17% of the mortgage calls that come from these placements turn into actual mortgage deals. So certainly it's very profitable to be in the 3-pack on the map. And that's what we do. We get our clients listed there. Now, people will often say, how do I get on the front page? Well, take a look at this knowledge panel down here. Google says people also ask, and there are these questions that Google is getting. Now, if you've been following our videos, you know that Google is no longer using algorithms to determine which websites show up on the front page. They're actually using artificial intelligence. And artificial intelligence is what's called language modeling. So they're looking at these questions and they are trying to figure out who is the authority in the local marketplace that has answered all of these questions. And when you give the best knowledge in the local marketplace, you get rewarded with a front page ranking. So check this out. I'm going to take this question. Is it better to use a bank or mortgage broker? And I'm going to head on over to ChatGPT. So what I've done is I've gone to ChatGPT and I've said, make me a 2,000-word blog article explaining why it's better to use a mortgage broker in Canada than a bank. Now, ChatGPT is going to use its knowledge and everything that it's generated from the internet to produce me a 2,000-word blog article. Now, we're then going to take that content that gets produced by the AI, we're going to put it on the blog of the client's website, and then we're going to tag it with the proper hashtags and the proper SEO that needs to be done on site in order to make sure that when Google gets that question the next time, our website is seen as the authority in the local marketplace so that we can rank on all those knowledge panel searches, which then ultimately places us in the 3-pack. Now, this is one of many factors that go into a holistic, good SEO strategy to get you on the front page. And what we're doing is we're using AI with our clients to get them ranked on the front page. Now, we have an opening for 10 beta members. We have roughly 4 spots left. And so if you would like to be considered as one of our beta tests for us using AI to get your business ranked on the front page, you can reach out to me directly. My email is chris@connectionincorporated.com. That's chris@connectionincorporated.com. Go ahead, shoot me an email, and I'll have my team reach out. We can set up a call and see if we can actually help you rank on the front page in your local marketplace. Hope you're having a fantastic day, and I'll chat with you soon. Before we go, check this out. So it has literally produced an article with 7 different bullet points on why to use a broker rather than a bank. And now what we can do is we can take each of these sections and get them to expand on each section and come up with an incredibly unique, incredibly powerful blog post, all in a matter of seconds. Very cool stuff.